Hi students. So we are discussing about the lesson why do we fall ill. So now we are going to discuss about a concept, the means of spread of infectious diseases. So that is how the diseases are going to be spread. So there are many reasons or many ways by which the diseases are going to spread. So that is some are airborne diseases are there, some are waterborne diseases are there, and some sexually transmitted diseases are there, and some formite borne diseases are there, and some are going to spread by the vectors or by some organisms. So, among those, let us discuss about the first one, that is the airborne disease. So, the diseases like the pneumonia, tuberculosis, that is TB, or the common cold. So, they are going to spread by the air. So, the common cold, pneumonia, and tuberculosis are going to cause they are going to be caused by the microbes. So they spread through the air. The diseases are going to spread through the air. So the transmission of these microbes occurs through the little droplets of the coughed person. So the person who is having the cough, so if he is going to uh, cough, when he is going to sneeze, that time also the transformation of the microbes takes place. So a person in the vaccinity, or the person who is having such kind of problems, so he will be the main reason for the spread of the microorganisms which are going to cause the diseases. So they are called the airborne diseases. So next we can see the waterborne diseases. So the diseases like the cholera is the main disease, that is going to typhoid, that is going to be spread by a bacteria called salmonella typhi. So these are going to spread through the water. So these diseases occur when a person is going to drink the unfiltered or unhealthy water. So such as the cholera or amoebiosis get mixed with the drinking water used by people living in the area. So the cholera infested bacteria can enter new hosts or the new person through the water they drink, and can cause the disease to the healthy person. So here by the water also the diseases are going to spread. And the sexually transmitted diseases. So sexually transmitted diseases are considered in short form STDs. STD. So STD means sexually transmitted disease. So sexually transmitted diseases like the AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, warts. So these are transmitted by the sexual contact from one partner to the other. So here sexually transmitted diseases are not spread by a casual physical contact. So when the person is going to hug, or when they are going to shake hand, or when they are going to share the same bed, or when they are going to share the clothes, so this disease is not going to spread. So when the person comes in the sexual contact with the person who is having the diseases or who is infected, then only the diseases are going to cause. So that kind of diseases are only considered as the sexually transmitted diseases. And the one more type of the diseases are spread of diseases through the vectors or through the microorganisms. So many animals which live with us may carry the diseases. So many very small insects or animals which are living with us, they may carry the diseases. These animals can transfer the infectious agents from a sick person to a healthy person. So they can carry or they can transfer the infectious materials from the sick person to the host or to the healthy person. So these animals act as the intermediators or considered as vectors. Vector means which is going to spread. So here vectors are carrier of the diseases or the infections. So vectors are the carriers of the diseases or the infection. So for example, the mosquitoes or house flies are the examples for the vectors. And here the female Anopheles mosquito that carries the malaria. Female Anopheles mosquito which carries the malaria, so that is considered as the vector. So like that only. So many animals are there which are living in our surrounding. They work as or they act as the vectors or the intermediators for the spread of diseases. So students, this is the means of spread. So regarding the STDs and some diseases, how they are going to spread and what are the importance and how we have to save ourselves from these diseases, that we will discuss in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.